In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Google Docs in Google Drive. If you have a PDF in Google Drive and you want to turn it into something you can edit, Google makes this process very simple. You don't need to download the file first or use a separate converter. Everything can be done directly inside Google Drive in just a few clicks. To get started, open Google Drive and locate the PDF file you want to convert. Make sure you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions of the same document saved in your drive. Taking a second to confirm the file now can help avoid editing the wrong one later. Once you've found the PDF, right-click on it to open the File Options menu. This menu gives you several actions you can take with the file, and the one you're looking for is the option to open it with a different Google app. From that menu, select Open With and then choose Google Docs. As soon as you do that, Google will begin converting the PDF into an editable Google Docs file. This happens automatically, so you don't need to manually save or export anything during the conversion step. After the file opens, you'll see a new Google Docs version of your PDF. This is now an editable document, which means you can click into the text, make changes, add comments, or continue formatting it just like any other Google Doc. Google also saves this converted file automatically in your drive as a Google Docs file, so you can come back to it anytime. Before you start making major edits, take a moment to review the formatting carefully. This is especially important if the original PDF includes images, tables, columns, headers, or other complex layout elements. While Google Docs does a good job with standard text, more detailed formatting may shift during conversion. You may need to clean up spacing, reposition images, or adjust tables so the document looks the way you want. It's also helpful to know that text-based PDFs usually convert the best. If your PDF was originally created from a digital document, the results are often cleaner and more accurate. On the other hand, scanned PDFs can be more challenging. In those cases, Google may rely on OCR, which stands for Optical Character Recognition, to detect and convert the text. That can work well, but it may also introduce formatting issues or small text errors, so reviewing the final document is especially important, and that's how to convert a PDF to Google Docs in Google Drive. Once you know where to click, it's a quick and convenient way to turn a static PDF into a document you can actually edit.